Hello, students. How are you? I hope that you all are well. Today, we are going to discuss about those parts of the syllabus which have deleted or excluded from your social science subject. So, first of all, we'll talk about history. In history, chapter number 1, full will be there. Chapter number 2, this full and all the topics, whatever you are looking at the screen, these all will come there. Chapter number 3, full will be there. And chapter number 4, this also full will be there. And chapter number 5, full, you will have to do print culture and modern world. This full chapter you will have to prepare. And after that, now come to geography. In geography, the chapter number 1, resources and development. Here, from you can see that it will start from concept. What is the meaning of resources and development? And after that, development of resources. This you will have to do. Types, classification. You will need not to prepare for those all. And after that, now look at here carefully. Excluding what box information on state of India's environment. This you will have to leave, and there is no any meaning to prepare this. And after that, now come to chapter number 2. This full you will have to prepare, and after that, chapter number 3, water resources full. And in agriculture, only the types of agriculture. These you will have to prepare. And after that, now look at this part of the chapter carefully. Here, globalization on agriculture, right? Impact of globalization on agriculture. You can leave. Don't waste your time over here. Chapter number 5, in this, what is mineral? Full. And after that, energy resources, conventional sources of energy, non-conventional sources of energy. This full you can do. And after that, chapter number 6. Now look at here carefully. Excluding industry market linkage, you can leave. And after that, in agro based industries, what to leave? Exclude cotton textile, jute textile, sugar industry, you can leave these all. Mineral based industries you will have to do. You will exclude iron steel industry, cement industry, right? No any question will be there from these parts. After that, the whole chapter, these chapters, industrial pollution, environmental degradation, control of environmental degradation, you can prepare. Lifelines of national economy, in this these all topics you will have to do. And after that, power sharing, right? In power sharing you can prepare these all 5 topics. And in federalism, full chapter you will have to do. And third chapter is not there in the syllabus, so leave that. Chapter number 4, gender, religion and caste, this full chapter you can prepare, but only you can leave these pages, right? These pages are on those books which were reprinted in 2021. And now you can see in the books which were printed in 2023, these chapters, these parts of the chapter are not there, I think, but you can check, right? So these images which were available on page number 46, 48, 49, you can exclude them. And after that, next part, chapter number 5, that is not there, so you can leave that. Don't waste your time over there. Chapter number 6, political parties, right? In the political parties, you can prepare these all topics from the chapter. And in the chapter number 7, the full chapter will be there. Nothing to leave, only these topics you can prepare. And after that, chapter number 8 is not there. It might be there in your books, but leave that. Now, the last subject, that is economic development. Understanding economic development, the full chapter, first one, development full you will have to do. And chapter number 2, this full you will prepare for the final exam. And after that, money and credit, full chapter, right? Globalization full chapter is there, and fifth chapter you can leave. This will be only there in the project work, right? Thank you.